We have an important update about the sizes of the two major events that took place yesterday. Those were, of course, the military parade endorsed by Donald Trump, the first of its kind since 1991, and secondly, the No Kings protests, which were protesting exactly that, Donald Trump. Now, when it comes to the No Kings protests, which happened across the country, conservative estimates put the number of protesters at over 5 million people. That's not a small number. That's more than 1% of the U.S. population. Now, let's compare that to the military parade. Now, initially, the administration had said that over 200,000 people would show up to this military parade. But when you look at pictures, it's very clear that that was not the case. Maybe in a best case scenario, 30, 40, maybe 50,000 people showed up. Now, the administration did say after the event that 250,000 patriots showed up. But when you look at the pictures, it's clear that that's not the case. Now, of course, these two opposing events are never going to be the same because the military parade took place in one city and the No Kings protests took place across the country. But when it comes to Donald Trump, who very much cares about his crowd sizes when it comes to his speeches and his events, this was probably a disappointment. And it is probably why the administration is trying to show strength when it comes to this. Another thing that happened is J.D. Vance, when he went up there to give his speech, he addressed the crowd and said thank you to the thousands, not the tens of thousands, not the hundreds of thousands of people who showed up. Now, of course, this could just be speaking, but a lot of times we speak based on what we see. So we'll have to see in the coming days what the actual numbers are, but it's very clear that it was less than the No Kings protests and less than what Donald Trump expected. If you like personal finance, world economics, and investing, and sometimes breaking news and politics, then you're in the right place. Hope to see you in the next video.